the modernisation of employee services in the age of AI via our 4-stage program LEEP: Learn, Explore, Experience and Plan. Across every sector, directors are feeling the pressure. Employee services, once stable, predictable and manageable, are now showing clear signs of strain. Demand keeps rising, expectations keep accelerating, and traditional service models simply can't keep up. Service teams are overwhelmed. Processes that rely on emails, forms and manual workarounds create slow, fragmented workflows that drain time and energy. Quality becomes inconsistent. Decisions depend on a handful of already stretched experts, and compliance risk quietly grows in the background. Employees feel the friction too. They expect fast, seamless support, but instead they encounter delays, back and forth emails, unclear updates and complex pathways that make simple tasks feel hard. And while all this is happening, directors are expected to deliver more with less. No extra headcount, no extra time, and no clear path to meaningful improvement using the tools and systems they've relied on for years. The truth is simple. Traditional employee services have reached their limits. The model doesn't scale, the capacity isn't there, and the organisation feels the impact every day. So the question becomes, if traditional models are reaching their limits, where does capacity, consistency and performance come from in the age of AI? Unlike previous automation methods, agentic systems consist of AI-powered digital workers that can understand, reason and collaborate with humans in real time. They enhance performance through decision-making, task personalisation and issue resolution, surpassing traditional rigid service models with flexibility, speed and accuracy. The accessibility of no-code platforms and generative AI allows almost any organisation to create their own digital workers and agentic systems. This marks a significant shift in service delivery and how new forms of digital labour will complement traditional workers. Early adopters of this approach stand to gain significantly, unlocking new forms of productivity, insight, and organisational agility, and be well placed to shape industry standards and capture emerging opportunities ahead of the market. To help organisations address these challenges and seize the opportunities emerging in the age of AI, we've developed LEEP, a practical, guided programme for AI enablement. It's designed for organisations that know the current model has reached its limits and are ready to move towards something fundamentally better. LEEP is not a technology rollout, not a pilot, and not another system upgrade. It is a structured, guided modernisation pathway that helps directors, leaders and work teams, technical and non-technical, rethink how work gets done across HR, people and culture, corporate services, work health and safety, and safeguarding in the age of AI. LEEP unfolds through 4 deliberate stages: learn, experience, explore, and plan. We begin with learn, where participants build their AI literacy. Through short, simple online modules, your teams learn what AI can do in everyday work, what digital labour really means, and start to unpack concepts such as AI native apps and agents, semi-autonomous agents, fully autonomous agents that support and keep humans in the loop, and how highly talented digital coworkers are easy, simple and low cost to author and run. This first step builds a shared AI literacy, ensures everyone begins with a shared understanding before moving into hands-on work. From there, we move to experience, where the concepts come to life. In twice-weekly live coaching sessions, we walk through real AI applications, real digital assistants, and real examples of tasks being supported or automated. Participants see these systems working in practice and begin to visualize how similar tools could support their own teams, workflows, and services. Next comes Explore, where learning shifts from observing to doing. Participants are given their own safe, ready-to-use training systems, guided versions of digital assistants and smart tools designed specifically for experimentation. Through step-by-step exercises, they try features, test scenarios, and build practical familiarity with how AI behaves inside everyday processes. This is where teams stop thinking about AI in the abstract and start using it in meaningful, low-stress ways. Finally, we reach Plan, where everything comes together. Participants turn their insights into a simple, actionable activation plan. They identify 1 or 2 areas in their own organisation where digital tools or assistants could make a real improvement, examine what isn't working today, and map out where high-value AI enhancements could remove friction, improve flow or modernise an outdated system. They finish with a clear, realistic starting point that they can bring back to their teams or leaders. Throughout the programme, We provide ready-made training systems and guided environments, and organizations simply bring their standard Microsoft licenses. LEEP is practical, grounded and built to create capability, not just awareness. It is your pathway from curiosity to confidence, from experimentation to action, and from today's limitations to tomorrow's agentic, AI-enabled model of employee service delivery.
To learn more about LEEP for the AI modernisation of employee services, click the link below.